Hello, my friend. Today, I want to share something that could change the way you see your life forever. It's not complicated, and it doesn't require anything outside of you. It's about happiness, real, lasting happiness. The kind of happiness that feels natural and effortless, because it's always been within your reach. Let me start by saying this: everything you experience in life begins in your mind. Your thoughts, beliefs, and inner conversations are the foundation of your reality. If you want to feel joy, peace, or fulfillment, you must first cultivate those feelings in your mind. Your external world is merely a reflection of what's happening inside you. The beauty of this truth is that it places the power entirely in your hands. You can change your mind, and by doing so, you can change your entire life. Now, think for a moment about how often we chase happiness in external things. We tell ourselves, "I'll be happy when I get that job," or "I'll be happy when I'm in a relationship." But have you ever noticed that even when you achieve those things, the happiness is fleeting? That's because true happiness doesn't come from anything outside of you. It's not in the job, the car, the house, or even other people. It's something you create within yourself. To begin, you must understand the incredible power of your imagination. Your imagination is not just a place to daydream, it's the tool through which you shape your reality. When you imagine yourself as happy, fulfilled, and at peace, you're planting the seeds for those experiences to manifest in your life. And it's not about pretending or forcing yourself to feel something you don't, it's about gently guiding your mind to focus on the feelings you desire. Start small. In this moment, close your eyes and imagine what happiness feels like. Not what it looks like, what it feels like. Is it a sense of lightness? A quiet joy? A deep calm? Hold on to that feeling for a few moments and let it wash over you. The more you practice this, the more natural it becomes. You're training your mind to align with the state of happiness, and over time, you'll find that it begins to spill over into your daily life. Another important step is to examine your inner dialogue. What are you saying to yourself throughout the day? Are your thoughts kind and encouraging, or are they filled with doubt and negativity? You must become your own greatest supporter. Speak to yourself with love and understanding. When you catch yourself falling into patterns of self-criticism, stop and replace those thoughts with affirmations of joy and worthiness. For example, tell yourself, "I am deserving of happiness," or "Joy flows easily into my life." Gratitude is another powerful tool in creating happiness. When you focus on what you already have, instead of what you lack, you shift your energy in a profound way. Take a moment each day to reflect on the blessings in your life, no matter how small they may seem. Feel genuine appreciation for them. This simple practice can transform your perspective and attract even more reasons to feel grateful. Remember, happiness is not a destination. It's a state of being. It's not something you achieve once and for all, it's something you choose, moment by moment. And the wonderful thing is, you always have that choice. Even when circumstances seem difficult, you can find reasons to smile. You can find joy in the little things: a warm cup of tea, a kind word from a stranger, or the beauty of the sky above you. Let's also talk about releasing the things that weigh you down. Often, our unhappiness comes from holding on to past hurts, grudges, or regrets. These feelings are like heavy luggage that you carry everywhere you go. They drain your energy and block your ability to experience joy. Let them go. Forgiveness, both for yourself and others, is a gift you give yourself. It doesn't mean condoning harmful actions, it means freeing yourself from the burden of resentment. When you release the past, you make space for happiness to flow into your life. Another key to happiness is thinking about the present moment. So often, we get caught up in worries about the future or regrets about the past. But happiness exists only in the now. Right here, right now, you have the power to choose joy. Take a deep breath and bring your attention to this moment. Notice the sounds, the colors, the sensations around you. When you are fully present, you are fully alive, and in that aliveness, you find happiness. It's also crucial to surround yourself with positivity. The people you spend time with and the environment you create for yourself have a profound impact on your state of mind. Choose relationships that uplift and inspire you. Create a space that feels peaceful and welcoming. Fill your days with activities that bring you joy, whether it's reading, dancing, or spending time in nature. Let's shift our focus now to the importance of setting intentional goals. Happiness thrives when you have a sense of purpose, something that excites you and fuels your days. Goals give your life direction and meaning, but the way you approach them matters. Choose goals that align with what genuinely fulfills you, not what society tells you should bring happiness. Your goals should be an extension of your passions, reflecting the unique desires within your heart. As you pursue your goals, avoid falling into the trap of rigid expectations. It's easy to think, "I'll be happy only if things go exactly as planned." Instead, stay open to the unexpected. Life often has its own way of leading you to something even greater than you envisioned. Trust the process and allow yourself to flow with life's opportunities. This flexibility allows you to enjoy the journey instead of becoming overly fixated on the destination. Another way to cultivate happiness is by engaging in acts of kindness. When you do something selfless for someone else, whether it's as small as offering a kind word or as significant as giving your time to help, it sparks a sense of fulfillment. These acts remind you that happiness isn't limited to personal gain. It expands when shared with others. Kindness has the power to uplift not only the receiver but also the giver. Equally important is taking care of your body. Your physical well-being plays a crucial role in your emotional and mental state. Prioritize rest, nourishing foods, and movement that feels good to you. When your body feels strong and balanced, it's easier to access the feelings of joy and contentment that naturally reside within you. Think of this as creating harmony between your physical and inner worlds. Let's not overlook the value of play. Too often, we let life's responsibilities overshadow the simple joys of being playful. Allow yourself to laugh, be silly, and enjoy life's lighter moments. Play connects you to the childlike wonder that is still very much a part of you. It reminds you that happiness doesn't have to be serious, it can be spontaneous, fun, and even a little unexpected. Happiness is not about perfection. It's not about having everything figured out or living a flawless life. It's about finding beauty and meaning in the imperfections. It's about thinking about the ups and downs, knowing that every experience is an opportunity for growth. When you stop chasing an idealized version of happiness and instead focus on cultivating it within yourself, you discover that it was never far away. It was always here, waiting for you to claim it. And remember, you're not alone in this. We're all on this journey together, learning and growing as we go. Your happiness has a ripple effect. It touches the lives of those around you and inspires them to find their own joy. When you choose to live from a place of happiness, you become a beacon of light in the world. So, my friend, I encourage you to start today. Take one small step toward nurturing your happiness. Whether it's imagining joy, practicing gratitude, or simply being present, every step counts. You have the power to create the life you desire. You can do it, I can do it, and together, we can do it. As we wrap up, I want to ask for your support. If this message has resonated with you, let's spread it further. Your simple action can make a difference in someone else's life. First, click the like button if this content has inspired you. It helps us reach more people who might need this encouragement today. Next, subscribe to this channel so you never miss out on empowering content like this. We're on a mission to share insights that uplift and transform lives, and you're an essential part of this journey. Another way to support us is by sharing this video with someone who might benefit from hearing these words. Together, we can create a ripple effect of positivity and empowerment. And if you have thoughts, questions, or your own experiences to share, leave a comment below. Your voice matters, and we'd love to hear how this message has impacted you. Lastly, don't forget to hit the notification bell when you subscribe. This ensures you'll always know when fresh content is available, keeping you inspired and motivated. Happiness, my friend, is not something you chase, it's something you claim. You have the power within you to live a joyful, fulfilled life. Let this be the day you take ownership of that power. Let this be the moment you choose to see the good, feel the joy, and spread the love. The world is brighter with you in it, and your happiness lights the way for others.